Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing three essentials: data, compute, and reproducible environment. First, inspect a representative sample so you catch schema issues early. Once done, provision a development machine, one GPU or multi-CPU, and set up a virtualenv or container to lock dependencies. Then initialize your repository with a simple Train-eval script, README, and experiment folder. This lets you run a fast baseline immediately and avoid time-consuming surprises as you iterate. You now expand from baseline into structured experimentation. Start by implementing a reproducible training loop wired to an experiment tracker so metrics and artifacts are saved automatically. Next, add feature engineering in a pipeline so transforms are deterministic and testable. This makes debugging and scaling safe. Then iterate on model choices and hyperparameters via config-driven runs, keeping random seeds fixed. Make sure to version code, data hashes, and model checkpoints to compare results reliably and roll back when needed. You complete the build by thoroughly evaluating on holdout data and running calibration and error analysis to understand failure modes. Once satisfied, package the model into a deployable artifact, Docker, Torch script, or ONCs, and add health checks and rollout strategies like Canary or Shadow. Finally, wire monitoring and automated retraining triggers to catch drift. If something breaks, the single most effective troubleshooting step is to reproduce the failing inference locally with the exact model, data slice, and versioned code to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.